What's up, guys and girls? This is Midori. I'm finally back with another episode, and today, as you can see, I'm working with the Batman, and I decided to do this because that trailer that they just released for the upcoming movie next year was very good. I really like the trailer, and what I like about this particular Batman is, after the Nolan films, most people didn't think Batman could get any darker than that, and the Batman seems to be doing just that. It's actually even darker, and I really like the promotional art that they produce for the film. A lot of it is really simple, but at the same time, very edgy, if that makes sense. And I like the red and black that they're going for with the color scheme, so I decided to do this drawing. Now, this drawing pretty much took about 2 hours to do, and it's pretty much done. I don't have any more small touches to really make to it, but I really enjoyed this drawing. I will have more for you guys later on this week or next week. Thanks again for following me, and I'll check you guys and girls later. Here we go.